how to reverse charge iPhone to iPhone, USB-C to USB-A. So on the iPhone, what we're going to do is we're going to use this cable here. Okay, so I have this cable here. Now, this is a standard USB-A to Lightning port cable, and we're also going to use this adapter. Okay, so what you want to do is connect the USB-A to this adapter. So this adapter is USB-A to C. Okay, so I'm going to connect it. And then connect this to the iPhone with USB-C. Now make sure all your phone software are up to date. So update to the latest iOS version so that you don't have any issue with the phone. And then plug into USB to the Lightning port. Here, as soon as you plug in, you can see it shows charging. And now my phone is at 98%. It is charging up, going to charge up to 100%. And that's it. So that is how you can have your phone charge using the adapter and the Lightning cable with USB-C to USB-A. Thank you for watching this video.